Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to make a stair spindle in just 6 minutes with Autodesk Inventor. Let's get started. Select a plane and sketch a rectangle. It would be 30 by 500. After that, I'm sketching other rectangle as a construction line. The first one would be 10 millimeter, the second one 2 millimeter, and the third one 20 millimeter. Then, with the construction line, I'm taking the midpoint, and I use circle arc command to create 3 arcs. This is the first one, the second one, and the third one. And close the sketch. Then, with the construction line again, I'm creating another rectangle. It's 50 mil from the bottom. I'm complete the geometry, and then I'm taking the SP line to make a shape along along all the spindle. I'm sketching with several points so I can manage very quickly. In here I'm creating a little bit belly, and then I'm close in the middle of the rectangle. Just complete, adjust the point, and then create another construction line, arc, center point arc, and SP line again to make the shape underneath. Adjust the shape, that's nice, and then close the geometry. It looks good. With the revolve command and along the y-axis, I'm create the model. I'm taking the top plane, to extrude a rectangle. It's 50 by 50. And I want to extrude 200 millimeter on top. The same job underneath. Sketch the rectangle, constraint with the underneath shape, and extrude 200 millimeter. I want to change the appearance in wood with red oak. Select the object and I apply the material. But to make more professional, I need to remove some part. I'm taking the 3-point plane, the diagonal of the spindle, and I sketch a geometry. A construction rectangle, 20 mil each side, and then with arc I'm making another shape. Three-point arc, 20 mil radius. With the revolve command, I cut and I reduce the material. So I have this kind of shape. Taking the material from the other, taking the wood from the side, and I repeat the same on the bottom, the 3-point plane, sketch the geometry, rectangle, construction rectangle, 20 mil each side, arc, 3-point arc, 20 mil radius. Close the sketch. With 2 lines. Close the sketch, revolve command, cut along the y-axis, and the job is complete. Switch off the plane, and it's done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment below. Thank you.